Amayia Chinsa Ikomi mwancho muligerelia Ndizi TV nga kende na inengo kuwaligania semesa ya mwangana mayenyare gukumanyia aso wenge gati yali atogandete kuwaligania netarachi gukumanyia ekero yaragirense yemo yabono marugobo nyirabuna litukunelia gatatu mutinyo kabere echubo igoro chitariki 3 litukeliga lya Alamisi omwaka bw'ikiri bubere na merongo ebere nebere na kuwaligania senchira yo wenge nyare gukumanyia gati yali atogandete kuwaligania se marugobo yabono kurwa Ndizi TV retirane nkuru Vincent Onyancha. Na nigo tukanya chaka kurwase county ya Nyamira kerakari yatekereta matukata tweli gochiko kule ntunde ya kabere yo kubalikia abantu n'abakichukura nigo bono omukonyo mugavana kurwase county ya Nyamira James Gesami hanyarga kuboli abantu koeneke unangweso kyabale nakobwate kurase ntunde yega yo mweli yibogene ntunde ya kabere inse yekombe kyobo choli gechimbe IBC nigo chinga kechi abantu abangase county ya Nyamira bagendrete bwokonyole chanjo ya COVID-19 liwetanga kurwa sokoranda kwebinyinyi ebyo ase county yo ya Nyamira.
I don't want to overemphasize that. So I have one or two messages. We are facing an election in August, and I think we have overemphasized that those of you who have not registered, please do so. Because the deadline is 6th of this month, next week, that is on Monday. So please, those who have attained the age of 18 and those who have got ID cards, please do register before the time goes. I and Governor Nyaribo, we are completely determined to work for the welfare of this county. I did indicate 2 days ago that we have made a diagnosis of what ails Nyamira. And we are impacting on correcting some issues so that you can get services to the people, health services, maji, barabara. We are making sure that we put this county in the right
COVID-19 uburwayi wabonyene nasiga bamintayo ntegerere jesiko twakwariganike yima biyamono bari mwansira basambi yamono twabararire biyamono singe jyo kuiratweyo hasiga baminto ayere
footing, and that the only people who are working for us are the rightfully qualified people, and they are at the right, and we shall continue giving promotion to our.
So the booster dose we are giving you 6 months after you go to your primary. After you go to your
na gotigara samangana harengete boygo kunyore chanje ya COVID-19 ni gobone serikali meye county ya Kisi erechimbero ko ene kibuna nkonyalere kuba ejanjo abantu babwate myaka 15 uchigoro ase county ya Kisi serikali kubwaterana ne wizara y'obukenu ni gobagendete no muyego yubante ko irama tuko 18 kolinde ko kiraboni kana matuko 10 katigaire chanje yukoera ko ene kibuna abantu bonse ko itani myaka 15 omubaro munene mbachikonyole chanje yo ya COVID-19.
Yes, vile ningependa kusema ni kwamba tuko hapa kama county government na national government. We have been tumekuwa tukiweka mikakati ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba tunaweza kufikia idadi kubwa ya wananchi wetu ndio waweze kupata hii chanjo. Kama vile daktari amesema, kama kaunti ya Kisii pia tumeathirika, na njia ambaye iko peke yake ya kuokoa watu yetu kutokana na madhara ya ugonjwa huu ni kuwahimisha wapate chanjo.
Na gutigana nayo harengete COVID-19 goikasa nsemende ya siasa gati y'abasaye korwa sorongorwa gusiana na se county ya Kisii nigo batebire buna nigo barigeti gocheko moko boko murawe kyama gya ODM rero dinga goitira azimio la umoja abasabo bakweroka Sons of Baba nigo batebire buna eganga yabo bono no gocheko mubwatsa rero dinga kone kinango cyale ko murayo gatano asense ya Kenya.
Igotura togotebe kimaene nga around yeye no mugako ito baba ne rora turuserie emechando ne mekorogoto eichire bosyo egento gieke maene tutagoteba nkeringa mugaka baba nere omanyeta abana baye nga kibakoba abanta abande bonse pigo bagocha amo in the name of yokoragera ne chinda chiabo na kumanya nga kibagotumie abasaye ntubono buna abasaye round ye ntorigo ikaransa toganye toche kobangwa igotora tokwebanga togotebanga intwe na bana ba baba naende baba
Azimio Raila State House. Azimio Raila State House. Thank you so much. Tuko tayari Nyanza, tuko tayari Western, tuko tayari Kenya. As Sons of Baba tumejitolea. Raila Odinga is our 5th president. Thank you.
Na kero kelia matuka makaya tegerete kone kune kumbe kedikyo bochori ne chimbe IBC ngo chikokora valentunde yabo yomwelyo yokubalika abantu buna bakichukurani gobono munyakero bobo kyombe ko flache bukati ate bire buno baromo kebwa abantu bakwelike ni goroka na chinsemo chebukati ni gobona abori yabanta sama tukali atigaire kone kibuna ngwese okibale na kwelike buna bakichukura bosi bochori abana bogochiyokoleka no mutinyo gatano na gatatu mwako yegabo chiri bubere na merongibere nebere.
Commission side, we given everybody a chance to register. So if there are other factors, then there are for all of us to reflect on as a commission, as Kenyans. You can also tell us why there could be apathy. Why are the youth not turning up? It's a question for all of us to do our survey and find out why. The fairly low percent, and again we are appealing to the youth who have identity cards. Please turn out. There are how many days left? 4? 5 days left. Ensure that during this ECVR exercise, you take the opportunity to register so that you can be able to elect leaders of your choice. We shall not hesitate to deal with any cases where there's breach of the code of conduct by any aspirants and candidates. And we are working also closely with the DPP to ensure that the Election Offences Act is complied.
Na gotigana na yo omubunge omathira Rigathi Gachagua ni gobona momochiri omwaziri bubulendo me Dr. Fred Matiang'i asiganga ya yokoria kurwa amachiko gochia sabanyanyimbo ni gochinga kiecho Rigathi Gachagua atabire buna Matiang'i tabwante goikerani ngane yo asekerenga buna omotene wo wanyanyimbo ne obwante kurwa amachiko cha sabanyanyimbo ni gawoli abanyanyimbo otabwati amachiko kurwa zo mwaziri bubulendo me Dr. Fred Matiang'i libageli kubwati amachiko kurwa somotene ne abanyanyimbo.
I have seen huyu Fred Matiang'i jana purporting to give directions to the police on where to take action on criminals and where to ignore. One, he has no such capacity. The police force, the police service is independent, and in matters of operations, it is the work of the Inspector General of Police. And we are asking the police to ignore such directive because they are illegal. Kama huyu Matiang'i alikuwa ni mtu ya kusaidia Kenya, si angetatua shida ya usalama iko Laikipia? Watu wameumia Laikipia, anafanya siasa huko Kisii. Huyu Kebicho anafanya siasa huko Kirinyaga. Where were they when bandits were terrorizing the people of Laikipia? Walikuwa wapi? I saw him crying that we are calling out county commissioners who are doing politics, that they cannot defend themselves. I want to tell Fred Matiang'i, we shall continue exposing all county commissioners who are involved in ethnic incitement. And if you don't want them to be exposed, you tell them to stop.
Na umugiro w'emirimo w'aborokia abanyagetari ase University ya Moi nigo ikaseri tukolia 53 ase litukolia lero nigo aborokia bono batebere buna bali guchikirana emirimo onye University ya Moi tere chigotegerana koigwa ebiro byabo nigo bagendete kwe murunganiria okonyorwa nabo gotaka no kwengeri yabo egento batere bune serikali nigo yarwete chibese chikone University ya Moi oikera boni gambara ba chibese cyase baganire baye guchibesa onye tari bo bali guchikirana
asking the university management to come out clear and sit down with the KMPDU through a return to work formula and paying our doctors all those monies. Unless such is done, then this strike has no option but to continue.
Still demanding that the university need to take action and the management need to act urgently. Otherwise, the doctors will remain out until that is sorted.
Na omosae oyo mobwate miaka 19 kurase county ya Lamu yubeogate kana kobo mwane ntakana niga anyara gweita sokuriso bogima maiga yowe sungi angolia somote orangene nkayabo anigo kero libagote abunigo banyo no muro yesungeti ya somote wekera bone gekero kukwa enkera manyekana boikera no rende kolengana ne yamati na boigona bahirin igo bagote abuna andake no gotware birengeri binge amatukama ke maiga yabo boli baye gosira no mwana yo gotigara entakana obotukwe mino nabo nigo bwacha kiwe likumainki agaro mwana yo hita ekorokeri abantu base mi bono gotemo ke bitambo kirobyo weita maiga yo gotware birengereria ebinge.
Ukiangalia pale makaburi mama yao walikufa wote wawili, baba yao na mama yao wamekufa. Sasa mimi ni mamake mdogo. Walioko nje wasikie hii sauti, waje waongee na hawa watoto wako hapa, waweze kuwapa mawaidha, kuambia yani mawaidha ya kuwasaidia kuwarudisha mawazo kwa pamoja. Wasiache kusema kwa pengine wanaweza sema naweza jinyonga kwa sababu mama na baba waliaga, sina mtu wa kunisaidia.
Kwa familia watu 6 ambapo si ndo wa mwisho wawili ambapo is me and my brother na brother yangu ametuacha. The cause of the death nadhani kweli ni depression. Ule msee alikuwa feel lonely kwa sababu tulikuwa tumetoka. As a family it's a
na umugumen Rabwe County ya Muranga Sabina Shagani Gabori abantu koene kibuna ngweso kebale na kweli kibuna bakichukura sentunde yega yomwelio nigo chinga kecho Sabina Shagate birebuna na chikoene kinko mubwati sia Raila Odinga wetrase kyama geo de na bagazi miola umoja na gosoa ase nyomba yobura ya kerobo cholio bone bura chikairo omwako yugo mutinyo 5 na 3.
Sasa mimi nataka tuseme tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 tunasema baba Pio Box State House Pio Box, lakini ni kwa sababu tu ya zile kura tutakuwa nazo, sawa. Hapo mbeleni nyinyi mlikuwa registration ya population yenu ni 40%, sasa zile sisi central tuko 60%. Na bado tukiangalia numbers hakujafikisha bado. Mimi nataka tusukume hizo siku 4 zimebaki ili tufikishe 60% of population wawe wako registered. Kwa hivyo kama mko na mtoto wako shule amefikia 18 years, achukue ID, tutaharakisha ili apate kura yake, sawa sawa. Wale our brothers and sisters, wale wazazi wetu, hata sisi wenyewe mwenye hana kura, unajua sisi tunasema ni 50+1. Can you imagine ukisikia announcement ati Jacom amemiss kwenda State House kwa sababu ya 1 vote ndani yako?
Na ekiombe kiabarimo gya kupet niko bono gya ichaniro go ikirani gwa kumuroberio CBC maiga yabana bali bagochikorera sana ibere na klasi sana isato gochigosoa ase junior secondary niko batebere bono muroberio yo na bote ikirani go boikirano ase kirenga buna bali mu bali baracho ikirani umuroberio yo anase junior secondary abange babo mbaranyora maigirio kolenga no munyakero bo bekiombe gya kupet akelo misoli ligaga ni muwaziri yotenense mu chisom Professor George Magoa kwa nekibuna abalimu bali bagochikorwa maigerio CBC ase ensemo ya junior secondary konyara wara maigerio saine na lyo muroboliro chikirani gwa senchera yobwasioro.
We are really disturbed that the Cabinet Secretary Ministry of Education is so much concerned about space as we implement the competency-based curriculum. This is something which goes above space. We want to see action in development of capacity of our teachers in readiness for grade 7 and grade 8, which will follow their completion of grade 6 preparation for that stage.
Hakuna mwalimu ambaye ako tayari hata hawajafunzwa vile ECBC itakuwa. So tunauliza magoa ya kwamba kabla tujaanza grade 7, grade 8 tungesema ya kwamba tungeomba ya kwamba ianze kufanywa kwa haraka sana ili watoto wetu waweze kukua tayari. Sasa kama mwalimu asipokuwa tayari atafunzaje huyo mwanafunzi?
Solidarity forever, solidarity forever, for the union make us strong.
Umonchu murigereria ayungati yari tagendete gukwariganira nyirage kuragense mo yabono margoba na ndingira na semese yega aseri bonyare ko sansamurane na gukumanya buna habereka watego rucingongo cyonsi ime na isiko yorgongo rwagusi bali mwensi babwatirana na bagotobotirana semesa yamangana mayanko bakerambiye mo na yumurigereria asogo chora ko yatengera ku Ndizi TV obwansubo mu gusibuna butambe tubwati gotira sensemo ye mtandao ensemo ya Facebook tubwati na Ndizi TV News na bagense ya YouTube tubwati na Ndizi TV News ikira bunonko yakiro musubani mangana ya senchera yo wenge ensemo ya margoba na seri bweretirana nkuruko Vincent Onyancha.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'umuguzi. Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'umuguzi nigo bono yakunikiru ndekerene nago kurendera chibicha chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonko bwoguzi niji kaunti chito etanaine buna kaunti ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nichi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asite koda ya Star Times channel 195, Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders, digital TV na smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo ontore ilio yao igoiko yenyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV obwensu uomugusi. Osmo Traders Limited neduka ye hardware ijweri miyumu